Welcome to Secrets of Sunriver. I'm your host, Robert Bennington, owner of Bennington Properties. Here's a preview of some of our newest videos, showcasing the beauty and adventure awaiting you in Sunriver.
All we need is love. All we need is love in the shelter. All we need is love. All we need is love.
Check out the full series at secretsofsunriver.com.